Alright, burn it down. One more small box left. What's this one? I don't know. It's a little bit bigger than the last one. That's how you get these boxes. Just cut the flap right there and opens right up. Whoa, messy popcorn. I hate popcorn. It makes a big mess everywhere. All over the place. Oh, another kicker pedal. Jeez. Must be kicker pedal day. Open up, make sure everything's in there. I don't see anything else in there. Don't like this junk. Messy. Takes forever to clean up. There you go. Kicker pedal. Okay, this is an older one. A lot looser. Oh, get up higher, we can see it. A lot more wear on this one. And look at the clearance difference. This one's definitely a vintage one. Rubber's harder, more glazed looking. Got some abuse where it's been hitting in the ground there pretty good. Bent over a little bit on there too, like the other one. Definitely different. So your difference between your two pedals. If you notice the writing is a little bit bolder in this one. The writing's a little bit thicker, a little wider. But other than that, they look the same. Harley on both sides. Look the same from the end, same in front. But obviously this one here, a lot of clearance. See this one here you thought was loose? No, it was good. This one's loose. Like that, like that. So this one's definitely going to wobble around a lot more. And this one still has a bushing in there too. And it's worn the same thing on top, which is real common. Like the little bead of weld right there, you can fix it right up. That way it don't angle back like this and try to break your ankle off. Keep it up, keep it flat or 10 degree up works best. So this one here is more of a beater one, but this is more of a show application over here. This one look real nice on the show bike. Just clean all this up right here, paint it black. And that'll look real nice on a show bike. This one here is one you put on you're going to go racing with. I got one on my race bikes like this, but I think half the rubber's gone on this side, but close enough. I don't like them when they're this loose, but they are what they are. What are you going to do? You can't fix them. So it is what it is. You have to live with it. But anyway, this is still pretty good. It's starting to crack a little bit right here, not too bad. So it's still holding up pretty good, as old as it is. I think it's probably 50 years old right now, so there you go. Rubber don't last forever. Alright, 2 kicker pedals one day. This must be the kicker pedal day. There you go.